Hey friends, welcome back to a new vlog of Trip Dude. Let us do a thrilling night trek to the Parvathamalai hill in Tamilnadu in this vlog. If you are watching my channel for the first time, please do subscribe and click on bell for more travel videos. It takes around 200 km if you are coming from Bangalore. You need to drive towards Krishnagiri and then you can reach the Kanchi, which is a nearby place. The distance of the trek from starting point till the hilltop is around 7 km. During the climb up, you need to cover steps, rocky path and little steep areas. It will take around 4 hours to reach the top. At first you need to cover around 1200 plus steps and then the old hill starts, which is full of stones and rocks. Make sure you carry enough water bottles because at the top of the hill you will not be able to get water. And if you're planning to carry some snacks or food items, then please be careful and beware of monkeys. It is better to wear proper trekking shoes to get the grip. A torch is a must during the night trek. We saw a small snake during the climb up. It is better to take regular breaks so that you will not stress yourself and you will get good stamina to climb up. As you are approaching towards the top, you will be able to see the wonderful view of the city lights. The last part of the trek is little steep and little difficult. There are actually two ways. One way is with proper iron stairs, which people usually use it while climb down. The another option is where only iron rods are there, so you need to hold them and climb up. The last area of the trek is definitely going to be the thrilling or scariest part. A jacket may not be required during the trekking time, but once you reach the hilltop, it will be helpful to resist from cold. We reached at the hilltop at around 4:30. The sunrise will be usually at around 6, so you can take some rest till that time. Many devotees visit for darshan at Shiva temple. You can also do Abhishekam. The sunrise from the hill is a beautiful experience.
It will take time. If you initiate, that's it. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya.
Avoid going on Sundays because you can expect a huge crowd on the hilltop. Along with the beautiful view from the hill, during the sunrise you can take a lot of good photos. let us see some amazing drone shots of the hill. One thing that is not enjoyable is the heavy crowd and queue when you climb down, especially after the sunrise. Climb down is comparatively easy, but better to take frequent breaks so that you won't get much pain on the legs.
Good for health.
It took around 3 or 3.5 hours for us to reach back. Try this amazing experience of trekking and let me know your opinion in the comment section below. If you enjoyed the video, please do like, share, subscribe and click on bell. Thanks for watching. Bye.